Good morning, this is Miss Bethann. Welcome to Little Foodies. Today we're going to be making chicken and cheese quesadillas. Now I always use this low sodium taco mix, whether I'm making quesadillas or tacos or fajitas, and we always just make it up ahead of time and leave it in the cupboard. So what we did last night is I marinated chicken, or yesterday actually, marinated chicken in the morning, put a little olive oil in there in the bag, and used my taco mix, and then marinated it all day. And then last night we cooked chicken on the grill, and then I cut it up into strips and I put it in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. And the reason I do this is because my kids love to eat quesadillas. They make quesadillas all day for snacks, whether at lunch or midday snack or in the evening after supper. So we just always have it on hand and the kids have stuff to eat. It's very simple for the little ones, and this is why I chose it, whether the kids just like cheese or they like chicken and cheese. And then there's lots of condiments to go with it. So I have a little chicken. Okay. Kind of move it around. The kids use their fingers to move the chicken, whatever, if they like to do that. Little chicken, or you can have a lot of chicken, however much you want to have. And just put a bunch of cheese on there. Again, it's more fun to use your fingers. So, and then we're going to set the top on, and then we're going to stick it into the microwave. I'm going to actually do maybe 45 seconds today, but it just depends on your microwave, and it may not melt all the way, but that's okay as well. So hold on, I'm going to stick it into the microwave. Okay, I just took it out of the microwave. Now you may need to cook it a little bit longer or not as long, depending on your microwave. And then we just take a little butter knife and I cut it up into little triangles. And then sometimes the kids will just pick it up and eat it like this. Or you can use a fork if they want to just eat it with a fork. It's more fun to pick it up and eat it. And then we have a little salsa we can add to it. My son's favorite is sour cream, so just probably put a little spot here. Move everything over and give him a little salsa. And his favorite, like I said, is sour cream. Sour cream, and he actually likes a little guacamole too, so sometimes add a little guacamole. And they have a nice little lunch, and like I said, it's really nice to have an anytime snack, or just if you don't have the chicken, that's fine, you can just use cheese. I actually use the Mexican style cheese because it has a little taco flavor to it already, and the kids enjoy that. Tastes pretty good. So I hope you had fun in our Little Foodies today, and hopefully we'll be able to see you soon at the library. Have a great day. Enjoy your lunch. Bye-bye. Before I close for today, I did want to show you the low sodium taco mix recipe. Hopefully you can see it. If you do want to add some salt to it, you can probably add a teaspoon of salt. That's up to you. And I usually do 2 tablespoons of mix to a pound of meat. Okay, thank you. Again, hopefully you can join us next week for another Little Foodies class. Bye-bye.